Welcome to my channel, friends. Today I'm going to give you an update on the celery that I planted on the 27th. I planted the seeds towards the end of March, and then on the 27th of April I then transplanted those seeds. And today the date is the 26th of May, and this is how the celery is like. I think it's looking very good. It was very slow to start, probably because it's winter in this part of the world in Southern Africa, so it could be why it started very, very slowly. And also the other thing, I plant directly into the bed. I do my seedlings. I will put down my seeds when I've done that. When they've grown, when I think that they've grown, I then transplant them directly into the bed. So what you are seeing here is actually a month's growth of the celery. And it seems to be doing very well. I'm actually happy with it. It is doing very well. I think in another 4 weeks or 3 weeks, I should be able to start picking the ribs from the celery. And also on that day when I planted the celery, I also planted some garlic. And as I said, this is my first time to grow garlic, and I'm not so sure whether it's actually doing well. The only thing I've noticed is that the leaves are not like a dark green. It's like they have some yellow spots, which I suspect may have to do with nutrient deficiency, I think. But I still need to find out on this, and maybe you guys can tell me, those who have grown garlic before, they can advise as to what the issue really is. It is growing, but it's also growing slowly. I think because it's winter this time, or it could also be probably because of the nutrients. I'm not so sure what natural fertilizer I should use. Should I use chicken manure, cow manure? Please let me know. It is not doing well. It's really not doing well. And thank you so much for watching. And if you like and enjoy what you are seeing on this channel, please consider subscribing as well as commenting and liking. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.